You know what really pissed me off? Little wannabes. Like, every sentence they do, it's like, yo, what's up, yo, homie? Like, I have cash, yo, homie, you want pot? Yeah? It's like if you need fucking dictionary for them. Like, always, yo. Every, like, 2 sentences, it's yo, like, what's up, homie, yo? Like, they can't even buy, like, a belt. They spend too much money on pot and drugs that they don't have enough money to buy a freaking belt or something. Always like thinking they're the best of everybody. Oh my god, that really pissed me off. Like they think they're king, but like really, they look like faggots. Like oh my god, they really looks like faggot. I don't know what to say. Like really, they're just faggots. Like really, like every 2 sentences, they do a rap, and always swearing like, yo, what's up, motherfucker? I have nothing to do in my life, so I swear to every sentence I do. Like, homie, I'm gonna blow your head off, gonna make your eyes drop out of your window, and I see everything that I know. Like like, shut the fuck up. If you don't even know how to talk, really, you're just like fucking idiots. Like you wannabes, dudes. Yeah, get a life, man. Really.